Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Today we have a pre-intermediate lesson for you, infinitive with to. But this time we will be talking about the infinitive of purpose. If you haven't seen my other video about the infinitive with to, watch that video here. Okay, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, let's talk about the infinitive of purpose. The infinitive is formed by using to plus base verb. Use the infinitive with to talk about the purpose of something, usually an action. The purpose of something means why we do it, why we do something. This means what is the reason for the action. When we want to answer the question why, we use the infinitive with to. For example, you watch my YouTube videos. Why? To learn English. Infinitive with to. To plus base verb. So, why do you watch my YouTube videos? To learn English. And we see the infinitive. I watch Grammar Simple with Liam to learn English. This is the complete sentence. Why do you watch Grammar Simple with Liam? To learn English. Let's look at some examples of the infinitive with to. For purpose, why we do something. Trees need water to live. Why do trees need water? To live. Trees need water to live. Humans need oxygen to breathe. Why do humans need oxygen? Humans need oxygen to breathe. I exercise to be healthy. Why do I exercise? I exercise to be healthy. I watch movies to relax. Why do I watch movies? To relax. I read books to learn new things. I have a few books. That's a joke. I have many, too many. Why do I read books? To learn new things. Use different grammar tenses with the infinitive with to. For example, I read books to learn new things. Read is present simple. My friend called me to invite me to the party. Called is past simple. She is walking to the supermarket to buy milk. Present continuous. Is walking. Use in order to when you want to emphasize the purpose, goal, reason, or intention of an action. What is emphasize? Emphasize means focus on something. Give it more power in the sentence. In order to replaces to. Examples. Why did he study really hard? He studied really hard in order to pass the test. This is the reason he studied really hard. But the focus is more on in order to. It gives this more power than saying he studied really hard to pass the test. The meaning is the same, but when you use in order to, it is more clear that this is the reason. Why did she wake up early? She woke up early in order to catch the train. You know that trains have a schedule. You cannot be late. So, she woke up early. Why? In order to catch the train. Remember, in order to replaces to. A common mistake many students make is they use for instead of to. Do not use for instead of to. She woke up early for to catch the train? No, this is not correct. You should say, she woke up early in order to catch the train. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video today. I hope you learned something about the infinitive of purpose. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my small channel grow. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in the next video. Bye.